AutoDot wants me to do a pull start of my car today. It's got snow on it again, so see if we can get this unlocked again. If it's frozen, I don't want to battle it too much, but it shouldn't be. It's not that cold out. Icy. Anyway, this is gonna be a little bit different because I need another one of these. Be a nice time to, anyway, at least. Shit. Alright. That's good. It's gonna start up again. Smoking now. So what happens when your car's sitting on an angle like that, you know, that fucking water down in there and shit. You know, let warm up for a while and I'll rev it up for you a little bit. Plus I got this Nissan, I like to look at the car a little bit, but yeah, it's kind of covered in snow right now. It does come equipped with Dolby Digital, so it should sound a lot nicer than the other camera. Pretty sure the muffler is pretty fucked up. So the interior's doing. Yeah, not bother. So, I got radio and everything. Got 97,000, nearly 98,000 miles on this engine. Alright. I'm not gonna wait forever to warm this thing up, so I'll get you the exhaust right now. Still smoking, but just not to be worried about. I'm gonna get this out to the side. See it right? Okay. See how it sounds. Got Ozzy on the radio. Probably what everyone's been waiting to see anyway. Good Nissan video. Yeah. Alright, I got pretty much in this video before it gets too long, unfortunately. But hey. Maybe when I'm able to get my license, I'll show you some real fun, because these roads and this town is completely copless unless you call them and get them around. I mean, there's stretches of road so long. I mean, it's straight heaven. I mean, I can hear motorcycles, muscle cars. You can hear them all at night. So I'll show you some real fun when I get to. But there's my car anyway. And that ends this video. See ya.